Welcome to the Auxwall Gym Management application. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create coupon codes for discounts and bonus days. Step 1. Go to the Club section. Step 2. Select the Promotions tab. Here, you'll find a complete list of current promotions. Step 3. To create a new promotion, click the Create New button at the top right corner. Step 4. The first field is the coupon code. This must be a unique code that will be used when registering a member with a promotion. Enter your desired value. Step 5. Select the course. Choose the course this promotion applies to. For example, I am selecting the 2-month promo for men. Step 6. Enter the discount amount. If you want to offer a special discount for a course, input the amount here. In this case, I'm offering a 30 AED discount for the 2-month promo for men. Step 7. The next field is extra days. Normally, a 2-month course equals 60 days of membership. If you'd like to add additional days for the member, enter the number of extra days here. For instance, I'm adding 10 extra days along with the discount. Step 8. Set the coupon expiry date to limit the validity of the promotion. Step 9. Choose whether the coupon is active or deactivated. Step 10. Press the Save button to create the coupon. If you need to update any promotion, simply double-click on the coupon name and amend the necessary fields. You can also view details of who created the coupon and when. Now to use the coupon for a member, go to the Member section, select the membership type and either hit the Renew or Join Membership button. Choose the course and applicable tax, then enter the promo code. Press Apply to see the discount and any extra bonus days. Now you can see new discount and extra days here. Finally, press the Save button to complete the transaction. Thank you for watching Auxwall Gym Management application tutorial.